Ann Curtis, Bianca Gonzalez, and Pok Wang have joined the chorus of public figures voicing outrage over alleged misuse of funds intended for flood control, raising concerns about how citizens' taxes are being spent. Multiple construction firms have come under scrutiny for reportedly questionable multi-million peso deals with the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, related to these flood mitigation efforts. The issue has sparked demands for transparency and accountability, especially as Metro Manila continues to suffer from severe flooding during typhoons, despite the government allocating billions for flood control. Adding fuel to the public's anger are the children of implicated officials, who have drawn criticism for showcasing extravagant lifestyles online. Curtis shared a quote from journalist Jessica Soho on her X, formerly Twitter account, emphasizing that greed, not floods, threatens to sink the nation. When Ma'am KM Jessica Soho said, "Hindi na pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan kundi kasakiman. Sakit," she wrote. Gonzalez, meanwhile, commended hard-working Filipinos for braving another work week and condemned those allegedly misusing public funds for personal luxury. Good job sa lahat na nagtatrabahong marangal sa araw-araw. Napagtagumpayan na naman natin ang isang linggo. Naway managot sa takdang panahon ang mga taong winawaldas sa pansariling karangyaan ang pinaghihirapan nating bayaran na walang katapusang buwis, she wrote. She also expressed sympathy for commuters enduring long queues, traffic jams, and flooded streets just to get home. Tapos ang haba ng pila sa sakayan on a Friday night. Umuulan pa, matindi ang traffic, at may bonus pang baha. Pagod na sa trabaho, mas pagod pa pag-uwi. Sana sa efficient public transport na pupunta ang billions of taxpayers' money kaysa sa ghost flood control projects, no? She said. Gonzalez has previously spoken out about the mounting criticism surrounding the government's flood control initiatives. Earlier that day, she also criticized the children of allegedly corrupt officials for flaunting their affluence online. Pok Wang echoed similar sentiments, likening these privileged children to Disney princesses, whose lifestyles are allegedly funded by the labor of ordinary taxpayers. May trangkaso ako ngayon kakatrabaho para meron silang pang-flex ng mga bongga nilang lifestyle. Huy mga anak, huwag kayo mag-deactivate ng mga sokmed nyo para alam ng taong bayan na napapasaya namin kayo, she wrote. Stars are speaking out, and the spotlight's now on alleged flood fund misuse and the flashy lifestyles of officials' kids. With Metro Manila drowning in both water and outrage, the call for accountability is louder than ever.